Welcome to Video Tutorial Series by HostGatorDiscounts.com. This video will explain how to install Mambo in HostGator cPanel Fantastico. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your cPanel by accessing at yourdomain.com/cPanel. Step 2. Enter your username and password. Step 3. Enter into the Fantastico installer by clicking on the Fantastico Deluxe icon from the Software Services box of your cPanel. Step 4. Fantastico panel will appear. Select Mambo under Content Management from sidebar menu to install Mambo. Step 5. Provide information about installation location, admin access data, base configuration and click Install Mambo button. Step 6. This page will show the summary about installation. Just click Finish Installation to proceed. Step 7. Congratulations! You have installed the Mambo on your domain. Step 8. Visit your site. Welcome to the world of Mambo. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out HostGatorDiscounts.com for more tutorial videos and HostGator coupons.